A circle is a collection of all points in a plane at a fixed distance from the center. The area of a circle is the measure of the region enclosed within its boundary. To visualize the area, we highlight the interior region enclosed by the circle's boundary. To derive the area formula, imagine the circle is made of many thin concentric rings, like layers of an onion. The length of the outermost ring corresponds to the circumference of the circle, which is 2 pi r. We cut these rings and straighten them out. The base of this triangle is the outermost ring with a length equal to the circumference, 2 pi r. As we straighten and stack the remaining rings, they form a perfect right-angled triangle. The height of the triangle is simply the radius of the circle, r. The area of the circle is the same as the area of this triangle, since the area of a triangle is 1/2 times base times height. We can substitute the base as 2 pi r and the height as r. Simplifying this gives us the final formula for the area of a circle, pi r squared.